Good morning students. In this class, I will be doing class 10 CBSE syllabus 13th chapter surface areas and volume. Exercise 13.3 fourth sum. A well of diameter 3 meter. A well of diameter 3 meter is dug 14 meter deep. 14 meter deep. The earth is taken out of it has been spread evenly all around it. So they are spreading the earth around this well like this in a shape of a circular ring of width 4 meter. So width of this circular ring is given as 4 meter. To form an embankment, find the height of the embankment. So for this the width is given. So we are asked to find the height of the embankment. Okay, so from this it is clear that the volume of the earth that is taken out is equal to the volume of the circular ring. So for that for both the things information is given, that is for finding the volume of the earth that is taken out, that is cylindrical well. So for that radius and the height is given, pi r squared h. For that radius is given 3 by 2 and height is given as 14 meter. That is for the earth that is taken out. Then for this embankment, that is also a circular ring. So the embankment is like this. So both the volume are equal. So here in this measurement is given as 4 meter. So this diameter is given as 3 meter. So when we subtract this 3 by 2, that is 4 plus this is 4 and this one is 3 by 2. 4 plus 3 by 2 is the outer radius and 3 by 2 is the inner radius. So when you subtract both, we'll get the volume of the embankment. Okay, so both will be equal. So when we equate both, we'll get the height of the embankment. Okay, so first one, earth taken out from well. Earth taken out from well has radius 3 by 2 meter and height 14 meter. So volume is equal to pi r squared h. So pi into radius is 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 and height is given as 14. Okay, now volume of embankment. Volume of embankment, that is pi, the outer radius is 4 meter, outer radius is 4 meter plus this 3 by 2. So 4 plus 3 by 2, 11 by 2, that is r squared, capital R squared minus small r squared into h. So pi into capital R squared will be 11 by 2. So 11 by 2 the whole squared minus this small r is 3 by 2 radius. Smaller radius is 3 by 2 the whole square. H only we are asked to find. Okay. So when we simplify this, pi into, so this one we can rewrite this as a squared minus b squared formula we can use. So a plus b into a minus b. So that is 11 by 2 plus 3 by 2 and 11 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into h. So now after this, the next step is pi into, this is 14 by 2 into, this one is 8 by 2 into h. So now we'll equate both. Both are equal. When we are equating both, we'll get the height of the embankment. So volume of well is equal to volume of circular embankment. Circular embankment. So this is pi into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 14 is equal to, the embankment is pi into 14 by 2 into 8 by 2 into h. So now this pi will get cancelled here. Then this 14 on both the sides will get cancelled. Then 2 in the denominator will get cancelled. Okay, so the remaining is, here it is 9 is equal to 8 into h. So 9 height is equal to 9 by 8. That is equal to 1.125 meter. So this is the height of the embankment. We are asked to find the height of the embankment. That is 1.125 meter. Height is 1.125 meter. Okay.